I haven't turned it on yet, but this robot right here is specially made. Specially made in the hometown country. Does anybody know where Belgium is at? Does anybody know where's Belgium at? This robot specifically made is from the Belgium country. Exactly. 50K made. Only about two, I think 200 of these are made every year. So for me to put chat, for me to get the hint, chat, this robot really only costs like 20,000. But for me to like buy it off of a resale, it costed 50,000. So yes, I really hope it's worth it. You feel what I'm saying? But they say this robot can do a lot of crazy shit. It's another robot dog. So chat, let's test it out. Let's see what the hell this bitch can do. Okay, y'all ready? Hey, wake up! Hey, wake up! Oi, wake up! No way, I got scammed. Hey, what the f? What the f? Hell no! Oh, hell no! What is it doing? Yo, sit! Hey, sit! What the f? Hey, sit! Sit! Elbow, sit! 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 Elbow, sit! Sit down! Sit down! Good boy. He did it! He did it! Oh my God! He did it! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Yo, chat, is this worth $50,000? Come here, nigga. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Look, nigga. Why are you such a pussy, bro? Over a tiny puppy. Why is he acting like this? Did this nigga just piss? Did he just piss on my carpet? Did you just piss? Where the fuck you going? What the fuck? Did this nigga just piss on my carpet? Am I tripping? Alibu, over here, Alibu. Alibu, over here. Come here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I look, he got scammed, bro. I'm not gonna cap chat. I look, he got scammed. I'm right here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, Alibu. I'm right here, baby. I'm right here. How you doing, baby? Bark. What's wrong? You okay, baby? Are you okay? What's wrong? Are you okay? What's wrong? What's wrong? Roll over. Alibu, roll over. Albert, roll over. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Like, bro. Like, nigga, come here. Why you acting so weird? Come here, boy. So y'all see him? He's like not trying to come over. He's like all the way in the back, bro. Yo, chat, let me know. Chat, let me know. Chat, let me know. Chat, let me know. Chat, let me know what I should do to the dog, y'all. Let me know. Chat, let me know what I should do for the dog, y'all. I feel like this dog can't really do nothing, bro. Come here, nigga. And nigga is scared of everything. I don't know why is he such a pussy, bro. He's so scared of everything, bro. I have such a pussy dog. Like, look, chat. Like, look. Watch this. Watch this. See, look. 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 Just look. Oh, they're bonding. They're bonding, chat. Bart. Bart, play with him, nigga. Look, nigga, he wants to talk to you. Look, nigga, he wants to talk to you. Nigga, talk to him. Talk to him, nigga. Oh, look at him. He's so scared. Look, chat, he's just coming to me. He's just coming to me, chat. He's so scared of everything, bro. What is it doing? Oh, here. Come here. Fuck is it? The fuck? Chat, let me know what I should do to the dog, y'all. Let me know. Watch out, bro. Let us swim in the... Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Should I let the dog swim in the pool, yes or no? Go get the dog. Go get dog. Chat. Should I teach the dog how to swim? Which dog, y'all? Should I? All right, yeah. You know what, chat? That's a good idea. Where the nigga go? Nigga, come here. Is it lagging? Come here, nigga. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Nigga, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, nigga. Come here. I will be teaching you guys how to swim, both of you guys. Hey, nigga robot, and both of you, nigga. Come here. Let's see if the pool. Come on, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Albu, come here. Albu. Albu, come here. Why is nigga acting like this today? He's acting so weird. For what reason? I don't understand it. The mic? Give me my mic. So first thing first. You gotta fill the water out, okay? You have to fill the water out. Look, nigga. Good dogs get treats. He's getting treats, nigga. Good boy. You want a treat, nigga? Come here. Come here. He's so weird. Come on, get in the pool. Get in the pool. Come here, baby. It's okay. Come here, get in the pool. Come on, just get in there. Come on. It's okay, it's okay. Just get in the pool. Come here. Albu, get up. Get in the pool. Oh. Albu, get up. Swim. 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 What the fuck? I'm sorry. You okay? What the fuck? Is he dead? Hey, hey. No. No! 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 Hey! Wake up! Wake up! The fuck? I spent 50,000 on this robot! I spent fucking 50,000 on this robot! I spent 50K on this robot, bruh! Hell no! I spent 50K on this robot! I was not getting up. Oh my fucking God. There is no way this robot just fucking broke. I spent $50,000 on this fucking robot, bruh. Ain't no fucking way, bruh. And this all your fault. Damn, bruh. 50K? No fucking way this robot just broke. I could have sworn robots could go in water. I just spent 50K on this fucking robot. Oh my fucking God. 50K down the fucking drain, bruh. That's 50K gone just like that. Oh my fucking God, bruh. Yo, chat, bruh. Should we drive to the veterinarian? Oh my God, I'm about to call the veterinarian, bruh.